kamukha ni Steak.
You're gonna be lag. Let's go. Start now.
Kamukha ni Steak. It looks like Steak in the car. Wait, I believe Steak is bald. Nagpakalbo siya.
Kalbo na siya dati.
Hindi, nagpakalbo na siya siguro. Hindi ko nakita. Pero
Let's go.
Sino mag-ano sa counter?
Ako.
si secretary.
Because I'm the secretary.
Si intern.
You guys,
Ay.
Para mabilis. Isang kape.
you guys will handle the pressure.
Oh.
Hey, don't take this. Ay.
Ate, isang kapong burger.
Ah!
Teka, wala pang patay na tao.
Intern.
May cheese po ba?
Isa pong burger.
Walang cheese.
No cheese, no cabbage, no tomatoes. No
Uy, intern, di ka natutulong.
patty.
Uy, hindi ka daw tumutulong.
Okay lang yan. Kaya nyo na yan.
You're fired.
Tulong.
Uy, kapag
Sa'yo.
kapag dumating si doktor, lagot ka.
Wala kaming pati. Wala pang patay na tao.
Ano ba yun?
Oh, wala. Oh, yan na yung patient mo.
Saan? Uy, tag-isa tayo. Intern, let's help. Ay.
This intern is getting on my nerves. Go!
Dito.
The lights flicker.
Michael! Tingin naman.
Ay, drugs lang pala kayo. Pumunta ka pa ng hospital. Hindi ko na lang
Uy, doktor, yun na-arrive na.
And then, doctor.
Mr. Dr. Harlow.
Takot ako.
Hello, Dr. Harlow.
Hello, Doc.
Hi, Doc. Opo, kami yung Doc. Wala yung Doc. Magaling kami, Doc.
Stop.
Ako din. Hey, we got money. We're rich now.
Yay. Ay, magkano ba yung secretary?
Ha?
Magkano ba yung secretary?
I don't know.
Ibinili mo
I
eh.
forgot.
Yung kaibigan ko secretary.
Dati ko pa yung binili nung hindi ko na-update.
Five, 7.
May mustos, manginginang kape yan. Huwag niyo bigyan. Akin yung kape, akin yung kape.
Si Barney? Si Barney? Oh my God, si Barney. Barney. Ay, Barney. Hello, Barney.
Uy, bibigyan yan.
Ano?
Bibigyan.
Hala.
Kape.
Si Barney.
Uminom na ako bago ko ibigay sa kanya.
Bagal ng customer. Buksan nyo na nga itong
pwede
ka
yun.
lang eh.
Ay, ano, low sugar.
Tulungan mo siya. Tayo dyan.
Ano?
Na yan, isang pasyente lang yan.
Check in as a page.
Mali ka po ba? Lata, totoo!
Ano?
Picture.
Oo nga, hindi naman eh.
Hello, reindeer.
Siya. Ano lang, ano yan?
Room for...
Ano yan?
Oh, when I blink gun, go sana.
Lo!
Ito.
Oh, uy, bumalik! Hello, friend. Can I get another coffee?
Uy, bigyan mo ng coffee!
Sino?
Uy!
Kape natin, wala tayong pang ano.
Bigyan mo
Barney.
ng kape! Di ba kumuha ka ng kape?
Barney.
Anong kape yan?
Uy, bigyan mo ng kape!
Eh, nag-member pa yung
Uy,
kape.
bibigyan niya tayo ng isa pang coffee machine.
Kasi nga, ano, maubos yung kape natin, yung insanity natin bababa ng bababa, mamamatay tayo lahat.
Bigyan mo rin ng kape para meron tayong coffee machine mamaya.
Zero.
Damn it. Oh my god, Trisha. Give him fucking coffee right now.
Hi.
Trisha, Trisha,
Bigyan mo na kasi.
coffee.
Bigyan mo na.
Kaya, mamamatay tayo dyan.
Hey, it's me. It's Verity.
Uy, hindi tayo mamamatay dyan. Bigyan mo na ng kape.
Bigyan mo na kasi.
Yan. Yan. Yan.
Yan. Yan.
Tapos kukunin natin yung kape dito para mamaya meron na.
May I ask a favor, friend? Ano na naman yun? Can you keep this suitcase for a while?
Di ba si Barney Killer siya?
Oh.
Yung mga friends.
Oh, the best daw tayo.
Pero ba yun?
Huh?
Yan yung ano, yan yung coffee machine mamaya. Pag nabuksan. Yung tagal naman ng isang pasyente na yan. Mamamatay na ba yan?
Yes.
Bakit ba
Ay.
yan?
Ang tagal naman ng lakad nun. Ilang yan?
Ah! Ano?
Anomaly.
Anomaly?
Hindi yan anomaly.
Ay.
Di ba yan yung magre-ritual?
Ito, anomaly yan.
Ay.
Papasok niya ulo niya eh.
Oh.
Paano natin i-ano yan? Paano natin? Paano?
Ano? Ano na kumain?
Sorry.
Ako eh.
Ay, kain na daw. Oh. Ba't mo yun yun? Mawawalan ka tuloy ng sanity.
I'm not... Oh, I'm new.
Don't drink that all the way. Dalawa lang.
Okay.
Para may bibigay tayo kay Barney mamaya. Hindi naman, dalawa lang. 2 sips.
Isa lang.
Let's 2 sips na. Then save that left for later.
Ah, hindi mo.
Tagal naman nun.
Tagal na mo Ay.
Pilay ba yan siya? Pilay?
Ayan kaya ako, wait lang.
Lagot, nag-AFK.
Where is the next, pasyente? Pasyente, sana ba pa isang pasyente? Sana isang pasyente? O yung doctor, nag-arrive na. The doctor.
Oh
Doctor.
my gosh! He's the doctor now.
Wait. Oh, it's me. Patricia. Bakit?
Don't lang. Wala.
Diba? Wala ako. Ay, wait.
Bro, it's Rafi.
Rapio? Ah. Sana may puso tayo. Pero,
There's only one thing.
Ratira. Ay, ano ba yun? Ratira yun. Hindi, di ba yung kapatid mo? Na-experiment ko ba? Tapos, stop ko. Si ano? Si Intel. Babalik siya. Alam ko na yan. Visitor siya. Anong room siya? Tinaser mo? Ano? Ha? Oh. I have to, this thing. Ano ba ito? TV box. Ano TV box? TV. Okay. TV? TV. Ano mali? Kasi the TV battery ko. Kala mo lang, to Banks. Uuwi ako dun.
Yan, sabi na. Uwi ako sa room 3.
Ay, ito nagre-recover.
Barney again. Give it coffee. Wait. And give it coffee.
No,
He's going to hide.
would you use that camera to take a picture of me?
Of course, you're an anomaly.
Sino?
Barney. So,
Hindi, ano mali?
that's so weird of me.
Fever.
It's another anomaly. It's following me.
Ew! Why do you have a smile? Kubelo, my name is Dubai.
Dubai Chewy po. Let's try din yun. Dubai Chewy chocolate. Ano ba yun? Dubai Chewy chocolate cookie.
Oh my God!
Labo. It's a long ass name, bro. Dubai Chewy cookie.
Dubai. Let's try the new Labubu Dubai chocolate chewy dotted cake.
have.
24K Labubu.
Tell the I love you, girl. You anomaly. Oh, you are fine.
Ba't puro isda?
What are you feeling? Are you underwater? think we're not.
Paano tayo sa underwater? Kasi, tayo, living animals tayo. Ako, siya,
Doctor gave us powers, bro.
sheep, and then a dog. Naging
Dog?
Yes.
No, you're a tiger.
No.
What?
No.
What?
No, I'm not.
You're a rat. What?
I'm a
How are
dog.
you a dog with that kind of tail? Looks like a rat, bro.
Wow. That's a dog. There's just a dog.
Hey, get the coffee, bro.
Why?
So that we can have another coffee.
Run. Bro, we don't even have hands. Look.
Oh, what?
What? We don't even have hands. Why do we have that?
No,
Look. And look. Their hands are like that. It's like
Your hands are fucking circle, bro.
ano ba yun? Low sugar ba yung Canadian?
What?
Low sugar ba yung Canadian? Low sugar because it's sweet.
What? What do you mean? Canadian?
Yeah.
Canadian? What?
What?
What are you trying to tell me, bro? Spit it out. What are you saying?
It's like low sugar because maple syrup is sweet.
What do you mean? Canadians have low sugar? What?
No, I mean if the appointment is like has maple syrup, that means
We have low sugar.
yeah.
No, I think it's for the cough. Don't you know that? Maple syrup can like...
No, they have this cough syrup.
Yeah, that's why they're partners in that aisle. Or in that whatever case that is.
Man, okay.
Oh, it looked purple!
Huh?
It's so cute.
Where?
What? What do you mean where? I meant my avatar, bro.
Okay.
Why are they still there? Have you not? Bro,
Oh, wait,
there's
oh.
one there. Oh my god, you need the
Where?
surgery room.
Oh. You'll take the other one.
Yeah, I'll take the other one.
IV caps. Wait. No, they're rearranged. Medkit. Bro. Transport. Bro.
I will go on the med kit. What did you do, Heart? I will go and transplant. What? What did you do?
Huh?
Oh.
Hmm?
He's freaking out, bro. Taking the shit out of it.
Unstable. Unstable. Make sure to use the photo and cameras. Stay alert.
I will unlock
I will unlock
Use it
invitation. Use it wisely.
Why?
Yo!
And,
Thanks. Thanks, Doc.
You
Yo!
have low salary.
Yes? Yeah.
Drink the coffee, bro. Then take this another one.
Bro, I cannot see my sanity. Ruby? Protein.
Don't drink it all the way. Only 2.
Oh. What is teddy bear?
Hoy! AFK ka na for, I don't know. Baka ma-disconnect ka ng pag umabot yan ng 20 minutes. Hoy! Gising!
Kumakain siya eh. Oo nga. Baka disconnection.
What is up with you, Ron?
Last from accounting. Ay. Last from... Maple.
Do you know that trick? When there's like a bed monster underneath the bed, you'll just give it maple syrup and then it'll go away. It wouldn't eat you.
Oh.
Let's see if there's... what's this?
Made up communication. Maple syrup, eye drops. Is it whisper?
Do you hear that humming in the walls?
Let's get you out of here soon.
Fuck you mean humming in the walls?
Bro.
That's so dramatic. Is it crying? Like the sound? Papakain daw siya kasi.
Huh?
Patuloy siya.
Bro. Gumising ka na eh.
Ayun, nag-chat siya.
Where?
I will get the next coffee ah.
Wait lang pre, pakain ng ako asa. Okay. Wait lang siya. Wait.
What are you doing?
Wait, bro. Wait, bro. I'm just gonna feed the dog. Rejected me. Bro, I always think they're anomalies, but they're actually eyesore.
Sup, I'm Duke Spray. I'm Duke Spray, patient.
I'm here for my appointment.
I'm here for my brisket.
Oh, brisket. I got room 8.
I got a roommate with my turkey.
See ya.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's Bonnie. I'm giving coffee.
I have coffee. I have coffee. I have coffee.
No, I will.
I'll give.
Okay. Can you drink that? 2 sips. What is it? Can I order you this taco? Okay, let's thing is copper.
Dude, there's a. Ah!
Fighting your life. Let's give Barney a copper.
You take the surgery.
No!
Oh yeah. Wait. I'm just getting ready. Do you need eye drops? Oh. Okay. Taking the surgery. Where's intern? Is he alive?
Yeah, she's here, smiling. In the corner.
Yo, close it. Oh, I mean no. I hate the when they arrange it. Sleep. Stopper. Where's Stopper?
The green stuff. Oh, it was fine.
Wait, did I get the wrong treatment?
Yeah.
What? What? Bro, I never expected that. Bro, what?
They're in the same color kasi. So it's like so confusing.
Patience here. What? Huh? Smokey? Who?
Look what I will do.
Oh. Bro, why would you do that? You trashed it.
No one will know, bro.
No, you trashed the patient.
No one will know. It's not counted as death, bro. So it's fine.
Bro, why would you do that?
Taking time, fading. Bro, just
Just gonna give it to Bonnie.
what? Hey, that's even darker than what I did.
Huh? What?
I'm gonna give Barney scraps.
What? No, I'm just wait when he
Who is
arrives.
this?
Ano ba yan stalker na to? I don't even see stalker.
No, it's different. What?
Me? Oh.
No, please.
Yellow, red, green.
No, I will not let you.
Huh? Red, yellow.
You're twitching the fuck out of you.
Okay, bye.